try to beat me. Aw, I lost. What the heck is that? Fresh air. Hello, living people. A zombie! Hi! Leave me alone, you undead freak. Where did you all go? Oh, a new game. Holy squid! That's her! The zombie's back! Ew! Who even recruited her? Hello there! We lucked out! It's a friendly zombie! Does everyone have their own number? I don't like mine! Where are my worms? Oh! Hello, my wriggly friends! I came up with a task for you! What is she doing? Watch! This is much nicer, isn't it? Come on! Say hi to the worms! Green light! Everyone's gone! I'll go too! Red light! Why did you stop? Hey, guys! Stop! Don't move! What are you whispering? I don't want to stand! What's your problem? Oh no! Behind your back! What's behind my back? You are all so weird! Why isn't my laser working? Is it broken? My hand! It's not the laser's fault! Go, people! Come on! Okay, I'll go! Hi, friend! Your eyes are so cool! Boo! A zombie! I really wanted to be friends with her! Oh, a vent! That's where I'll go! Hey, what's down there? Whoops! My hand! A hand? That's weird. I think I know who it belongs to. My poor hand! I'll have to get it back. Where is my hand now? It misses me. Now I can't clap. Oh, hi! I have something for you. Surprise! I thought it was yours. My limb! It's you! Oh, thank you, guard! My mask? Great! Thank you, Clementina! What's up with your mask? So embarrassing! Go wash up right now! All the guards have to look the same! This radioactive paint isn't coming off! Oh, food! Too bad it's not brains, but it's still fine! What? Give me that, you mean zombie! No, I won't let go of it! Get your green hands off! Ouch! Oh, nice candy! What's up with my candy? You infected it, and it became a zombie too! A guard's coming! Hurry up! My cookie? The zombie ruined the whole thing! Oh, it's so interesting here! Zombie! You should be in the bedroom! Stop! Phew! My big-eyed friend! A shovel! Right! I'll dig a grave for myself! Where's the zombie? Sorry, doll. Have you seen a zombie here? She went this way. Look at the ground. It wasn't here before. Zombie, are you there? together! We're about to win! Oh no! Whose hands are these? Surprise! Gosh! You are so sensitive! Hands! We won! Your lunch! Bon appetit!
Okay.
An egg? No! I can't eat that! I feel so sorry for the chickens! What about a burger? No! Chocolate? No! Hold on! I know what you are gonna like! Brains! Good enough? Oh yeah! Thanks! No more kisses! Again? Now I'll have to wash my mask! Thanks a lot, Clementina! The next contest is marbles! You can begin! How many do I have? Let me think. 5! How do you know? It's mine now! Thanks!
Ooh.
I have 1 marble left! Oh, I know! Stupid zombie! You won't win anyway! Look how many marbles I have! Make a ball out of air-dry clay. Make 10 balls this way. Let them sit for 24 hours. Draw eyes on the balls with markers. An iris, a pupil, highlights, and veins. Put the eyes in a velvet bag. All the marbles are mine now! Zombie won! Players, pick a candy! Good choice! Here! You have 10 minutes to cut the shape out. Your time starts now! Oh no! I failed! Loser! You're out! Uh-oh! Okay, I'll try this method too! Yikes! This is too much! My tongue couldn't handle it! What do you have? Whoa! It's a zombie honeycomb! Melt 7 ounces of sugar on a frying pan. Add green food coloring and mix. Add some baking soda and mix again. Pour the mixture onto a silicone mat. Shape a circle and make an imprint of a radiation sign. Wait for the honeycomb to dry and put it in a container with a printed radiation sign on the cap. Zombie candy! Oh no! My hand! Great! You won this round! Just go away! A glass bridge! How do I pass it? Jump! Ha-ha! Have a safe flight! Zombie! Go! We believe in you! Hold the baby! Go, Clementina! I'll be right back! Phew! I'm starving! Go, zombie! Go! Please, Miss Zombie! Take this baby away! It's crying like crazy! I don't know what to do with him! He just needs his doll! Clean off the paint from an old doll with nail polish remover. Add eyeliner with acrylic paint. Paint lips and eyebrows. Apply pink blush to the cheeks. Paint the body so it looks like a zombie. Dress the doll in a Squid Game doll outfit. Brush the hair and divide it into pigtails. Trim. Add zombie scars. Add holes and cuts on the clothes. Stain the clothes with paint. Make drips of hot glue at the back and add light clay worms. Here's your favorite toy. Don't cry, zombie baby. Sweet dreams. What's wrong with me? Clean skin? Am I human again? Ah! It was a nightmare! My eyes! Phew! I'm still a zombie! These regular pillows make me have nightmares. I need a different one. Cut 2 human shapes out of soft black fabric. Sew it around the edge and leave a hole. Fill it with stuffing and sew the hole shut. Cut skeleton parts out of white foam paper. Glue them to the pillow. My new zombie pillow! Sweet dreams, skeleton! Congratulations, Clementina! You're the winner of our Squid Game! Here's your money! Congratulations! I don't need the money! I need you, my beloved Gar! Me? I'm a zombie too! This is real zombie love! This is so adorable! Hang on! I have a special gift for you! It's a zombie prize! Be happy together! It's all our favorite stuff! What would you pick? Money or love? Comment your answers down below! May the squid be with you!